Hey guys, Full Throttle here, and this video is going to be an update to the RNG frame sliders video that I originally posted. If you haven't watched that one, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. I urge you watch that first, and then there's also a comment on that video that a viewer posted saying the spacers that we installed aren't really long enough. And you'll notice I was complaining about that as well. And I said it would be nice if the spacer was 5 to 10 millimeters longer. We used those longer spacers and we didn't use these shorter ones that came with the kit. So what they're suggesting is if we just use both of them, then it should be long enough, because the issue right now is the spacer isn't really doing anything. It's not touching this piece, and what is actually touching the frame is right here rather than the two places there that should be offsetting the black piece from the frame. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it off and do it in this video, but basically remove these two screws again, add this spacer along with the main one, and don't forget to use Loctite. You'll be good to go. And that's about it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on this bike.